Hey guys, Nuggets a Hug back. So in our last video you saw we took a look at attaching the flip-flops to the plexi to make the monofin part. First go we tried silicone, didn't stick, just kind of peeled right off. So we cleaned that all off, and then we tried this leak seal stuff. I thought maybe it would make it kind of bond together.
What?
Nope. Not even.
This is sure gonna be great memory.
Not even close, hey?
Yeah.
It just left kind of a gross kind of a residue on there, and kind of an icky kind of gnarliness on here too.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to try and clean that off. Like I'm gonna do it with the Dremel. You got the extension cord, Kaya?
Yeah.
Let's plug this baby in. Okay.
Sounds as I thought it would be.
We'll turn that right down because we just kind of want to scuff it up, I think.
Oh, it stinks.
I should probably have my hair tied back for this.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll do the bottom of the shoe a little bit too.
Okay.
I think we'll use that little sanding bar.
Okay.
Okay, that I think is much better. Look at the difference on the bottom. You can kind of see like one is all shiny and stuff. I think that was more the problem with the silicone. It wasn't going to stick to the shiny stuff.
Oh my
but
goodness.
now this
Your
is
hands.
like, oh yeah, this is like all kind of scratchy and it'll be sticky. Stuff will stick to it better.
I'll get a wipe.
Kind of like when you get gum stuck in your hair. Gum sticks more in your hair, right? Because of the fuzz.
Yeah.
So this is going to be more like fuzzy, so it should grab on there better. Okay, clean that. Okay, so I think we're just going to clean some of this stuff up, and then we will give this stuff a go. Goop Max, amazing Goop Max. Says all-weather bond. I think somewhere I saw waterproof, permanently flexible. That's going to be a big thing, I think. So yeah, this will be attempt number 3 to get this monofin to work. So stay tuned. Okay, so we've got pretty much all the bits and dust and stuff cleaned up. We definitely have more friction on the bottom of these and on the plastic. Even when I just kind of put them down, it takes a little work now to shift them. So hopefully this stuff and the roughed up surfaces together will bond. I've read so many instructions in the last little while about how to apply different glues. Some of them you put on both surfaces, you let them set for a little bit and then put them together. This one doesn't say that, so we are just going to apply it and hope. Yeah, so with these little bottles that have the seal like that, after you unscrew them, the little pointy bit inside the cap, that is actually so you can just jam it in there and it opens. So you don't need to go like looking for a needle or anything. Like that. So we still have our protective plastic on there. And again, we're going up to sort of this flat part there. And I know we've got a little bit of a curved toe on these things. So I won't go quite all the way to the edge. And I know the best contact, since this is the 3rd attempt at this, is right at the ball of the foot there. So I will sort of concentrate on that.
Oh, that stuff stinks.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, so there we go. We got the glue on there. And now we just need to place them. Better get the right one on the right side, not the left side. That would not be comfortable. Here goes. Again, we still have our marks on the opposite side. I just want to get these fairly straight with a little space. I'm gonna push. I think this one says it sets up almost immediately, but maximum strength may not be reached for 48 to 72 hours. So it'll be a couple of days before we know for sure if this is good. Ooh, it's already sticking though. Ooh, that is so exciting. Kaya, look it. You know how before when we tried the other ones, you put it on and it just kind of slid around?
Yeah.
Check this out.
Whoa, whoa.
Ah!
Oh,
Yes, this might work.
Let's hope.
Let's hope.
Ding, 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 ding. Oh, that's cool.
Oh. So you can see we're getting, where it's kind of darker, that's where we're getting full contact. So I think I will put this probably down on the floor just with some paper under it for a little bit and just stand in them to get really good contact. So yeah, that's where we are now. Subscribe, stay tuned. We will carry on with this as long as it's going to take. Later.
This will be